Welcome to this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, we will go over how to send a secure message from the clinical screen in GoodX. Secure messaging lets you safely share confidential information with your patient using an encrypted, protected channel. This helps your practice stay compliant with POPIA, GDPR, and other privacy laws. Please note that only practitioners can initiate secure messages. Patients cannot send messages first. To get started, open the clinical screen. On the sidebar, click on the Forms Library drop-down menu, then select Secure Message from the list. The Secure Message form will now appear under Active Forms on the sidebar. Click on the form to open it. In the body section, type your message to the patient. You can pre-set up templates to save time for common messages. For more information regarding how to set up a template, please refer to the user manual, How to Add Edit Workflow Event Templates. Click on the Add Attachment button to upload any files you want to send. This can include PDFs, medical reports, images, or any relevant documentation. Once uploaded, attachments will appear in the Attachment section. Click View to preview the file and make sure it's correct. If needed, click Delete to remove a file before sending. Once your message and attachments are ready, click Complete. The Complete button will turn green to show the message has been sent successfully. The message will also be saved in your inbox for future reference. The patient will receive an email with a link to the message. They can also access it and send a reply through the MyGC app. For more information on secure messages via MyGC, please refer to the Secure Messages screen. Navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description. And that's how you send a secure private message to your patient using GoodX.